Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. So it's been a while since I have taken a walk through the Dollar Tree, and today I wanted to go through the Dollar Tree to kind of look at party items that are new, that are there, that I've never seen before, and items that I feel like would be great for event planning. So there are some things that I buy constantly at the Dollar Tree for events. I wanted to share with you guys some staple items, but with graduation coming up and baby showers coming up and family reunions and class reunions and all other types of events that we have, in addition to weddings and bridal showers and things like that, I felt like a lot of the items that I'm going to be showcasing in this video today with you guys will definitely be items that you can use for any of the above. So I ran across some metallic gold tablecloths, and these are very different because typically the gold that you see in the Dollar Tree is more or less like an antique gold, but not really a metallic-y gold. So I felt like those were really a really good buy, especially for like graduations and family reunions and things that are outdoors that you may want to use disposable tablecloths for. The second item that I saw was like the white table skirts, and I'm not really a huge fan of plastic for events, but in terms of like food tables, I love, if I were to use plastic, it would be on the food tables because of course the food can ruin the linens. But with this one, I love the fact that it's a table skirt because you still have that elegant look as much as possible with plastic. So finding these white table skirts at the Dollar Tree was like a huge deal for me. I mean, gigantic. There were some other items that I saw as well, but the number one thing that really caught my eye was these trays. And these are they're like made like the charger plates. And what really caught my eye about these is, number one, I've never seen these in a Dollar Tree before. These are great for like events, and they are great for your dessert tables or storing like favors on them. I mean, there are so many uses for these. You can put little wedding favors. You can put like eating utensils, a lot of different things like that on these trays. So I just felt like that was a really good deal, and I'd never seen these before. So I will be honest with you guys, I picked up 12 of these because you can use these a lot of different ways. So let's take a look at the rest of the items that I found at the Dollar Tree that I feel like you can use at your future events, such as, like I said, graduations, weddings, baby showers, bridal showers, bachelorette parties, retirement parties, family reunions, corporate events. I mean, the list goes on. So let's hop into those things and take a walk through the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy this shop with me. Next item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is these amazing rose gold chargers. I have seen them advertised before online, but I've never seen them in the store. Now, of course, they carry the silver chargers and the gold chargers regularly, but coming across the rose gold ones was absolutely a blessing because a lot of my brides love the the rose gold color with blush pink, and just being able to find them in the Dollar Tree was amazing. So definitely check these out when it's safe to shop again. The next thing I found was these amazing backdrops, and this one caught my eye because it's 44 inches, so it's great for like a child size, and especially if you're doing a budget-friendly princess-themed birthday party or Disney-themed birthday party. The next item is also a staple at the Dollar Tree, but you really don't think about it in terms of event planning, but I'm telling you that brooms and dustpans definitely come in handy when you are setting up or when you are breaking down at a venue. It always pays to have an extra one on hand. I also came across these floating candles at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were a great deal because they're like they get 2 and a 2.7 inches, which is almost a 3-inch candle. A pretty good size for floating candles. So I'll show that to you guys, and you guys that order these know that this is a good price. They come 2 in a pack for $1, so that makes them about 50 cents a piece. So if you're in the Dollar Tree and you see these, be sure to check them out. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but my shirt says cheers. So when I saw this, I thought it would be great because it really went well with, you know, kind of how I close my outro. So I did want to share that with you guys as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found several tips and tricks and ideas, and I hope that I ignited your creativity in this shop with me at the Dollar Tree and this little miniature haul. Thank you so much for all of your continuous and unwavering support. Let me know down in the comments below your favorite item from this shop with me / Dollar Tree haul, and some of the things that you think that you can use from this video from your upcoming event. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!